o tērā mahi, taku mahi, ko te kōrero atu kia koutou te Whakaaro Pai. Whakaaro Pai, ko te healthy thinking. Ko tērā te kaupapa o taku kōrero kia koutou. Nō reira, my kōrero will be about healthy thinking and how it can be utilised through resources and the tools that I hope to be able to impart through my own experience and to utilise those aspects of being able to function under stress and duress, and how to utilise, if you can count to 1 to 4. This program initially was created by Dr. Tom Mulholland. He's a local GP, and I've since taken it on board, embraced it, and been able to tweak it to fit, I believe, tapping into our people to have a way of tapping into their full potential, really. And it's new. It's a new method, a new old method of being able to bring these components of dealing with stress, depression, addictions, you name elements or ailments of our people that we suffer from the highest social disorders in the country, and hopefully this method of healthy thinking, Whakaaro Pai, is going to go away towards alleviating that, so that we can truly tap into the true potential of our whānau. Yeah. Aroha, I was aroha for the ones that weren't there, and this is another reason why I think that the healthy thinking program would, if we incorporate that into our way of thinking, is going to help alleviate disharmony amongst our people, particularly for those that weren't happy. And there is a lot of unhappiness at the moment. We refer to it at the moment as a post-settlement stress disorder. Post-settlement stress disorder. And it's a catchy disease, because all it takes is somebody amongst our whānau, our iwi, our marae, our committees, wherever they are, and create that unhappiness and then put it there amongst our people. So whilst the attraction is to being consumed by the unhappiness of the outcomes, we're losing ground in exploring the true potential of our people, our entrepreneurship that needs to be tapped into. I take my hat off to our runanga for instigating the summit and being able to inspire and motivate our people that are going to go forward and really brighten the horizon, strengthen our future with their entrepreneurial skills that have been laying dormant since grieving of these settlements have begun some 200 years ago. We're in a position now to take full advantage. The best that I could, I think I could describe something for you about the way our people operate. I believe that you can receive something but still not accept it. And out of kōrero of apologies that one iwi I can relate to had been offered an apology, their stance was, we receive it, but we don't accept it. Now I'm trying to theorise that out and how we can accommodate our people that are suffering post-settlement stress disorder, and saying, you can receive it, you don't have to accept it, but please don't sit back. Don't sit back. Come on board. Be entrepreneurial. Tap into those volumes and depth of the talent that our people have been inspired by our tupuna to inspire us to go forward. Here we have mechanisms, vehicles to do that. Leaders, people with only the goodness in their heart, the love of our our culture and respect of others to take us all forward. Without our children, with all the things that need to be done, the prevention of suicide, education, all these things that are of our wealth that Te Rarawa belong to. So, yeah, I'm looking forward to the summit, bro.